Good evening. I'm Matthew. I'm one of the booking managers at Mid Wales Caravan Holidays. I'm just going to do a quick demonstration on how to use our online booking system. First, go to our web page with a link at the top here, www.aberystwyth-caravan-holidays.co.uk. When the page is up, you can either fill in your selected dates here, amount of people. If it's more than 6 people, 7 or 8, it'll only show the 8 births. When there's less, up to 6, it'll show all the availability. If the date's selected, if some of them don't show, then they're not available. But you can either do it there, or you can click here, go to the main page, or you can go to the top here where it says book online. First, go to book online, let the page load up. Again, you can put your check-in date here, what date you want. So I'll just select, I'll do some in September. I'll go for the 12th. How long I want to stay for the week. For example, to the 19th, I'll put down, say, 4 adults, a couple of kids, to make it up to 6 people, and search. So it should show all availability, even the 3-bedroom 8 berths, but the others are 2-bedroom 6 berths. So I'll just select when this one's available. You are able to see more information on the caravan by clicking on there. Information about it, where buyer is, and it'll show the price here. The price for the week, but that's before you add any extras like bed linen or anything you want. And if you're happy with it, you just go to book now. Well, here you have your selection, like different things you can select. So I'll go for, say, 1 travel cot. So it'll add it to the total. From time to time, we offer special offers like 10% off, 15% off, 20% off, something like that. We'll advertise a coupon code. You apply the coupon code into here. For example, I'll put 10 in for 10%. Apply. For some reason that one doesn't work. I'll put that one. 50. So it's 15%. So just taking the 15% off the nightly charge. And then if you want to continue, if you're happy with that, you continue. It'll ask for your name. I'll put blog Joe, just as an example. Email address. You enter an email address, it'll automatically send you a booking confirmation. Enter a phone number. I'll just put anything in for the time being. Select your country, which is the UK, which I am at the moment. Kingdom. Special requests. Now here, if you want any requests, you can add it there, or you can put your address there. So when it comes through, we got your address details, and continue. If I had a proper email address in first, it look like a proper one. And check out. Got options here. You can pay by debit credit card. If you click on that, it'll ask for your card details to make the payment, or you can pick book offline, which means that we collect your payment directly ourselves, or you deposit or the full balance. Providing the holiday is paid 30 days before you arrive, we just take the deposit. But on this occasion, I'll just pick book offline. Pre-checkout. So it's confirming your booking. You print that off yourself. It'll actually send that to the email address that you've submitted. So it's empty to book now. So what we'll have to do with that one, we'd contact you for the deposit payment by us. We can send you a payment link. We can do it by BACS transfer. We can take card over the phone, whatever suits best. Or you can just select the first option, pay by card, and it normally charges one night as a deposit, as I said. So providing the holidays paid up in full 30 days for your arrival, then we're all to go, good to go. It's as easy as that. It's similar on the mobile phone. It's just that it's on a mobile phone. It works on Apple. It works on Android, on any browser. Thank you very much for watching.